Alright, we're back for one more video regarding Excel, and we're back in the Doctor Who sheet. Conditional formatting allows us to change how cells appear based on the values in those cells. So let me go ahead and apply conditional formatting to these dates. We're going to highlight all the cells that are between 2000 and 2012. And we will make them green fill with dark green text. So each of these dates are somewhat recent, and you can see it makes them green here. This is really useful when you're analyzing when you've gone over budget and when you've gone under budget. Let me go ahead and highlight all of these again. And I'll do conditional formatting again. First I'll clear the previous rules. The other thing I wanted to cover is inserting a chart. In order to do this in a little bit easier way, I'm going to copy all of these and create a new sheet at the bottom. So I've created a new sheet. Let's go ahead and grab a few really common ones, like Earth. Space, I think, is pretty common. And let's say anything that contains. So this is going to include all these planets, planet Zeros, planet Fortis, Dido. You know what, we'll just include Planet, because that way if P is capital, it'll still include it, or if P is underplaced, it'll still include it. These two are going to be easy, they're just going to be countifs. So Earth is visited 126 times, space is visited 11 times, and the different planets, there probably is a better way to do that, but this is a good way for now. So now that we have let's see if that affects it. Okay, good. Now that we have 3 columns based on this data, we can generate a pretty good chart. In this case, it will probably look best as a pie chart, but we would select Insert, and then Pie Chart, and we'll just do a 2D one. And you can see Earth is over 75% of the planets that the Doctor visits, with those various planets being second, and then space being third. So this is a good way to visualize your data. There's a lot of different types of charts. You can do styles of charts pretty easily. If we did a bar chart, it might not demonstrate quite as clearly the breakdown or the relationship between planet and space, since Earth is so far ahead. But we can do a bar chart. And that's a basic primer on charts. We might get a little bit more into it in the first guided exercise on Thursday. Alright, so that covers conditional formatting and charting. Make sure to study up and be prepared for our class on Thursday.